Hey, it's Dom from 12 Tomatoes. Today we are making Chicago-style pizza puffs. These pizza puffs are loaded with sausage and mozzarella cheese and green bell pepper and tons of Italian spices and seasoned with a little pecorino romano. We're gonna put these onto just some flour tortillas, fold them up into a nice little pocket, and bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes. These are so good. If you know the frozen treat, these are gonna blow them out of the water. Let's get into it.
Tomatoes.